Uh-oh. Uh-oh, what? Holy jeez. What happened, dude? He just lost control. It's like a Cat 232 or something, man. Holy jeez. Oh no, look at the carnage. Oh my God. He's over there. Is he still breathing? Hey dude, you alright there? Let's get him out. Oh, he's still smiling. Let's see what the motor's looking like. Oh my God. Don't look like the motor is too bad yet, but it did break the muffler right off of the oh my God. Oh my God. And I just saw this plane earlier today. Well, dude, what are you gonna do? This thing gets squirrely. Let me go ahead and get rid of it.